Welcome to Elite Autos, where we bring you the latest, hottest, and smartest updates from the automotive world. Today we've got something exciting from Hyundai, the 2025 Hyundai EXTER, a compact SUV from the B1 segment that's turning heads with its aggressive styling, SUV stance, and feature-loaded cabin. Is this micro SUV truly the best value under 10 lakh rupees? Let's dive in and explore the boldest compact warrior of 2025. The EXTER's design screams modern SUV DNA, despite its compact proportions. Hyundai has played it bold with parametric front grille, rugged bumper cladding, and squared H-shaped LED DRLs. Tall boy stance and roof rails, giving it a more SUV-ish presence than its size suggests. Funky dual-tone alloys, on-top variants, contrast roof options, and an attractive rear end with H-signature tail lamps. It's a head-turner for young buyers who want SUV looks without stretching the budget. Under the hood, the 2025 EXTER retains its familiar and efficient setups. 1.2L Kappa petrol engine, 83 PS and 113.8 Nm, paired with 5-speed manual or AMT. 1.2L bi-fuel CNG option for mileage-conscious users. Suspension tuned for Indian roads, giving a smooth, planted ride in city and rough patches. The performance is not sporty, but it's refined, comfortable, and fuel-efficient, which is exactly what this segment demands. Mileage figures. Petrol MT, approximately 19.4 km L. AMT, approximately 19.2 km L. CNG, approximately 27.1 km per kilogram. The cabin of the 2025 Hyundai EXTER feels more premium than most rivals in this segment. 8-inch touchscreen infotainment with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Digital instrument cluster with color mid. Voice-enabled sunroof in SXO trim. Rear AC vents, fast charging ports, and even a dashcam, first in segment. The cabin is spacious for 4 adults and a child. The boot space of 391 liters is surprisingly large for a micro sub. Hyundai has focused heavily on safety in the EXTER. 6 airbags standard across all variants, a segment first. ESC, VSM, Hill Start Assist, and TPMS on higher trims. Rear camera, ABS with EBD, and ISOFIX mounts. Built on a solid K1 platform for better crash protection. Variants include X, S, SX, SXO, and SXO Connect. Prices starting around 6.13 lakh rupees and going up to 10.20 lakh rupees ex-showroom. Why should you buy the 2025 Hyundai EXTER? SUV-inspired looks under 10 lakh rupees. Segment best safety with 6 airbags standard. Loaded features like sunroof, dashcam, wireless charging. Strong Hyundai service and resale network. It rivals the Tata Punch, Maruti Fronx, and Citroen C3, and beats most in features, quality, and brand trust. And that wraps up our deep dive on the 2025 Hyundai EXTER, the micro SUV that punches above its weight. If you loved the video, like it, share it with your squad. Subscribe to Elite Autos for more exciting car updates. Let us know in the comments, would you pick the EXTER over the Tata Punch or Fronx? Until next time, this is Elite Autos, signing off with style. Stay safe, drive smart.